Ditha, Pat Parry, ha mia vin Lena Hwedhel in Kernewek, henwys Topsy ha Tim ara Kampya. So I'm Pat, and I'm going to read a story in Cornish called Topsy and Tim Go Camping. I'll do little bits of Cornish as we go to make sure you're understanding what's happening. Delar. So off the family go, Mum, Dad, and the twins, Topsy and Tim. They're going camping. Tesa Topsy had Tim o mors the Kampya gans mamik hatas. Tessens o tri daw dilda, onen bras rag mamik hatas, hag onen bihan rag Topsy had Tim. So long journey. When they get there, everybody unpacks the car and tries to put the tents up. The adj here o mes wartueth iadre heddas an Gampfa. There's a he in gwel ribcos beacon. Topsy had Tim our resas orth discarga and car. Hwedhel and Tildo o Kevrin in Kinza, mes in scon e porthas Topsy had Tim cove a fatal rare. Well you them ag an Tilda ni a leveris Topsy. So Tim is sent off for some water and is amazed to find a tap in the middle of a field. Tim eith the gerchas door. There's a marthoddo pan gavas eve tap in gwel, tap a lagia in fer o. If there's a cold tom rag supper ha baramanino hag avalo bras ha ruth. So supper, tea is sandwiches, hot soup, and big red apples. So after supper, they decide to explore the little wood and notice yellow arrows painted on the trees to help them find their way home. Wasa supper, Topsy had Tim eith gans mamik, hatas the Hwedhel in course. Neponan rebo o paintia setho orth and gwith a leveris Tim, miruch. The weir a leveris mamik. Mar sawin an setho na, iara ag an ledia arta than Gampfa wasa certh da. So when they get back, they find another family has arrived at the campsite with two bigger boys. Pan the well sons like a hampfa, ia welas telu arol, reidre hedsa an gwel, daw vau vras hagamam hatas. Thesens otiskarg aga har hadre Hwedhel aga thilda. Perdrosek o an vebion vras. Dun hagwari ag an telda a leveris Topsy the Tim. The Topsy and Tim were not very keen on the two big boys. Prys rag aga daw the vos a berth ega sechir koska a leveris mamik. But it was their bedtime anyway. And so Topsy and Tim in their little tent were almost asleep when there was a big bang, and it was a football from the two big boys. Agus hagin kosk o Topsy had Tim iga sechir koska glis, pan weskis nepith aga thilda gans bom. Ia gemeris auna hema. An vebion drog, rebotsa in cref, peldros erbien tilda Topsy had Tim. Drok you genin, armas and vebion. So they pretended, I think, to be sorry that they'd kicked the ball against the tent. Ternos, Topsy had Tim as seves avar in freth, and vebion vras a ruk indela inweth. Niara mos the wari in cause a leveris and vebion vras. Niara dos inweth a leveris Topsy had Tim. So all four children go off to play in the woods. Ia spenas termin splam in cause. Ia leskas the worth and gwith keper hasimes. Michtern and gwevos of armas Tim. Tim thinks he's the king of the forest, king of the jungle. Ia helchias coninas govenek agahatcha mes an coninas abonias scaffa. Namna Gerthis on an Vienna's Topsy, mes eva bonias tol conin warnans, So they chase the very quick rabbits and they disappear down the rabbit holes. O tuaeth ia the lathas glywys nawnic, na gon yn another reiddibsa Hansel. Ia vinna de welis and Kampya mes ne wathions and forth own. So they decide they're hungry enough to go back to the campsite, but don't know where they are. Celis on a leveris on an anvebion vras. Nag on a leveris Topsy, and setho orth an gwyth ara agan ledia archad and Kampya, mamik a leveris in della. So Topsy remembers she has to follow the arrows to get back. Da organs mabik hatas agagweles, thesen vi otos rag agan kavos a leveris tas. Pith esuchwi oku. Ni regemeris ran in a netho a leveris Tim. So Tim says they've been taking part in adventures. Paris o Topsy hat Tim rag Hansel. Mes ni ili mamik gul then Gampforn o berry. Raise you then perthi Hansel yain a leveris he. So Mum is struggling with the camping stove and says they'll have to have a cold breakfast. Tas an vebion vras a ddwrth rag gwelis and pith o can. Dawch hag junio genin a leveris ef. Ima myra spaswar ag an barbecue. In scorn ithesa an blas take a selsig hag bacan o kigina war barbecue and vebion vras hag ithesa lor rag puponin. So when the other family realize that there's a problem, they say, come and join us, there's plenty of space, and eat bacon and sausages from the barbecue. Da you genif Kampya a leveris Tim. Ia vin neither alus gortos oma bisviken a leveris Topsy. So Topsy would like to stay there forever. So that's the end of the story. If you'd like to learn some Cornish yourself, do get in touch. And if you'd like to find some more books in Cornish, have a look at our website. Agus gwelys.